In handling spills outside BSC, what we do first is we assess the hazard. Second is we wear appropriate PPE. And the third one is we perform the actual cleanup. For the procedures, what we have first is we have to alert everyone in the area. Second is we have to doff our PPE. Third is to leave the laboratory area for at least 30 minutes. After that, we have to inform the laboratory manager and the biosafety officer. And after, we have to place a sign on the sign door indicating that there is still a spill. Next is we have to don appropriate PPE again and re-enter the area with your split kit. Always go as pairs. Next is we have to place absorbent material on the spill and cover the whole area. After all that, we have to pour appropriate disinfectant concentrically, starting from the outer part to the center. Next, we have to observe appropriate contact time. Pick up the absorbent material using tongs and place inside a biohazard yellow bag. If there are sharps, pick up using tongs and place in a sharps container. Next, we have to perform another round of cleaning until the whole area has been cleaned and dried. Doff used PPE and put discard bag into another discard bag, or what we call the double bagging. For the remaining parts, we have to put reusable materials in different container or bags and decontaminate waste in an autoclave. Next is we have to remove the signage and prepare for a report. Proper waste segregation. Proper waste segregation reduces the impact of the waste that we produce in our environment. It also hinders health issues that may arise from the waste that are not properly taken care of. Economic-wise, it is beneficial for it makes recycling much easier. In the laboratory, we use color-coding schemes to segregate our wastes. The first color coding scheme we have is the black. Black bag represents general waste. It has a trash bin plastic bags type of container, and it has a non-infectious dry waste. Examples for this is we have the paper, boxes, plastics, and the like. Second one, we have the green bag, or also the wet waste. This usually has a trash bin plastic bag type of container, and it has a non-infectious wet waste. Examples for this are the leftover foods, fruits and vegetable peelings, and the like. The third one, we have the yellow bag. The yellow bag represents infectious waste. That's why it has a plastic bag type of container, and we usually do the double bagging. It has an infectious, pathologic type of waste, so we need to be careful. Next, we have the yellow bag with black band. This has examples like empty bottles, containers of betadine, alcohol, and etc. That's why it's also called as the chemical and pharmaceutical waste. Next, we have the red or the sharps collector. This has a puncture-proof type of container, and it has a sharps as a type of waste. Examples for this, we have the needles, syringe, scalpels, and etc. Last one, we have the orange bag. The orange bag represents radioactive wastes, and it has a simple containers, and it has a radioactive type of waste. Examples for this are tritium, iodine 131, and the like.